Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the player and loading your media so playback can start immediately. First, add files or folders using drag and drop or the file menu. This speeds up batch loading. Next, pick the correct audio output and video display to match your monitor or speakers, because playback quality depends on device selection. Once done, verify the file shows in the playlist and press play to confirm the player decodes the format. This proves the prerequisites are set, and you can proceed. Now focus on configuring playback for smooth performance and proper formatting. Create or reorder playlists so content plays in the right sequence, and save the list to avoid rebuilding it later. Make sure codecs and hardware acceleration are set to match your CPU/GPU to reduce stutter. Increase buffering slightly if network streams drop frames. Also sync subtitles and adjust playback speed for comprehension, and use the equalizer to correct tonal balance. These steps control both how and why media behaves during longer viewing sessions. Finish by saving your preferences and exporting playlists or audio/video presets so settings persist across sessions. This saves time later. Create keyboard shortcuts for actions you use often and add bookmarks or thumbnails to jump quickly to key points. Make sure automatic updates are enabled for the player and codecs to maintain compatibility. If playback fails, try one key troubleshooting step first. Update audio/video drivers and codecs, then restart the player. This resolves most issues caused by mismatched decoders or driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.